Good morning children. I am going to take EVS subject for second standard, My Beloved Motherland. The last class we saw children about the national days and national leaders. August 15th we celebrate as Independence Day. Then 26th January as Republic Day. Then we saw the national leaders about Mahatma Gandhi ji, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Nehru ji, Jawaharlal Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi ji is called as Bapu. Then he got freedom for us by non-violence. Non-violence means ahimsai முறை, சண்டை போடாமல் உண்மையை வச்சு நமக்கு இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்க மகாத்மா காந்திஜி. October 2nd is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Then we saw about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. And children used to call Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as Chacha Nehru. Chacha means Mama, Nehru Mama and கூப்பிடுவாங்க. November 14th we celebrate as Children's Day. This all we saw in the last class. Now page number 74. See here, take children. Page number 74. Connect the picture of the leaders to the column A. See here. First President of India, who? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Where is that picture? See here. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The name, see here. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. You also connect like that children. See here. Okay. The last class I told you. Okay. Same only. Father of our nation. See here. Mahatma Gandhi ji. His name is here. See here. Mahatma Gandhi ji. Then first Prime Minister of India. See here, rose is there. He liked rose very much. Always he used to have a rose in the coat. See here, first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. His name is here. You also connect like this children. See here. It's in page number 74. See here. Connect the picture of the leaders to the column A to B. Now we are going to see about the national flag. How many colors we are having in the national flag children? 3 colors and 1 navy blue Ashoka chakra in the middle, white band. Take page number 74. See here. National flag, tricolor flag. See the national flag here. See here. Tricolor means 3 color. And 1 Ashoka chakra, that's in navy blue color. It has 24. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 strokes in navy blue color. Our national flag is called tricolor in a rectangular shape. See here. This is rectangular shape. And tricolor means 3 color. 1, 2, 3 color. Saffron, white and green. 3 color. It has 3 equal bands of different colors. These 3 are equal in size. Okay. See here. Saffron stands for sacrifice. First color is saffron. S-A-F-F-R-O-N. Saffron. Saffron stands for what? Sacrifice. Sacrifice means tyagam. S-A-C-R-I-F-I-C-E. Then truth and peace. Truth means unmai. Peace na amaidi. White color for truth. Truth and peace. P-E-A-C-E. And green color for prosperity. Prosperity means valarchi, pasumai. See here, this is saffron color for sacrifice, white for truth and peace, and green color for prosperity. Then a navy blue wheel in the center of the white band. See here, navy blue wheel in the center of the, this is white color band. Ashoka Chakra. Name what? Ashoka Chakra. See here. Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes, which stands for progress and values. We respect our national flag. Okay, children, we should all respect our national flag. We should salute. Okay. See here, Ashoka Chakra. This is navy blue color, Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Next we are going to see national and state emblems. It's in page number 75. National and state emblems. Emblems சின்னம்னு சொல்வோம். அது நம்மளோட நேஷனல் நாட்டுக்கு ஒரு சின்னம் இருக்கிறது, தேசிய சின்னம்னு சொல்வோம் நம்ம அதை. இங்கே பாருங்கள், நேஷனல் எம்ப்ளம். யூ கேன் see in rupees and coins and all, we can see this 4 lions. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and back side 1 lion, 4 lion. Okay, national emblem. Tamil Nadu state emblem is Srivilliputtur temple. See here, this is our Tamil Nadu state emblem, Srivilliputtur temple ude gopuram. Then national symbols of India. National animal is Bengal tiger. National river Ganges. Then national bird peacock. National tree banyan tree. National flower lotus. National fruit mango. This is our national symbols of our India. Then dolphin of the Ganges river is a national aquatic animal of India. Then state, for state animal Nilgiri Thar. Okay, then state flower Gloriosa lily. Then state bird emerald dove. State tree palm tree. Then state game kabaddi. State fruit jackfruit. Then they have given the pictures here. See here, write N for the national symbols and S for the state symbols in the box. Name of the picture they have given. See here, first picture is lotus they have given. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus is a national flower. So, write N for national. Then, the picture is Ganges picture they have given. Gangai Nadi Solvanambada. That is N. That is national river. Then, next one, Emerald Dove. Maragadapura. Emerald Dove. That is state. Okay, then write yes for that. Then next one is banyan tree. That is our national tree. So write N for that. Okay, write the name here. You should write the name here. Okay, then you should write the N or S. N for national and S for state. Then what they have given? Nilgiri Thar. Man. That is for state animal. So write yes. Then mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango, that is national fruit. So write N. So you should write in the big box, you should write the names. Okay. Then in the small box, you should write whether it is for national symbol or state symbol. Okay, see here. You also write in this box and write here whether it is N or S. Next we are going to see our responsibility. What and all our responsibility? See here, do not spit in the public places. Wherever we are going on the road, no, we should not spit. Okay. Some places and things like public toilet, road, street, tap, park, hospitals, schools and classrooms are used by all of us. These are called what? Public places. Okay. It is our responsibility to keep them neat and clean. We should maintain them clean and neat. We should not make any dust there. We should not put dust wastage and all. We should not put. We should, if we go to the park means, we should not put the dust and all there. Okay, waste things and all. We should throw only in the to that place only. In dustbin only we should throw the dust and wastage and all. See here, one man is spitting from the upstairs. That falls on another man. So this is wrong. We should not do. Do not scribble on the walls. Some children used to scribble on the walls. They used to write anything. So that is wrong. Then do not throw waste in the public places. See, someone is going in the car. They are throwing in the outside road the waste materials. Then we should form a queue in ration shop or in need to get any ticket in railway station and all. We should form a queue. See here, some people are standing in a queue. Okay. Then use the public toilet. Do not use the road or open space. See here, this is called public toilet. We should use there only. If we go outside means, we should not use the open space for that. Maintain silence in public library. Do not tear or scribble in the books. See here, public library, all used to read their books, no? So we should maintain silent in that place. And we should not scribble or tear the library books. See here, do not scribble on the walls. Do not throw the waste in the public places. Form a queue. Then use public toilet. Then maintain silence in the public library. This is all our responsibilities. நம்முடைய கடமைகள் இதெல்லாம். Why do we need to use a toilet? Say children, why we should use the toilet? We should use the toilet and flush more water. Then only it will be clean. If we use open place means germs and insects used to come. Okay, that used to sit on our food. Then the germs used to spread and we get many diseases like malaria, cholera and all we used to get. So that only we should use the public toilet. Circle the red for don'ts and green for the do's. See here, you should color for red color for not doing things and green for what we should do. See here, he is spitting, he is going in the bus, he is spitting outside. So that is don't. We should not do that one. So you put red color for this. He is removing his slipper outside the door. That is only do. Okay, so green color. See here, they are cleaning the road. That is green color. That is good. Okay, they are making the place neat and clean. So see here, someone is throwing the waste outside in the open place. That is red color. We should not do that one. Then they are fighting. See here, they are breaking the lorry glass and all. We should not fight on the road. That is red color. So color the red color here. See here, they are putting the waste in the dustbin. Wastage. Man used to come on the road. No. See here, in the cycle, they are putting in that place only the wastage and all. Okay, you read and do that one, children. It's in page number 78. See here, evaluation. Write the names of the national days of the given dates. Write the names of the national days for the given dates. they have given the date. We are going to write the day. See here they have given August AUGUST, August 15. What day that one? Independence Day. Independence Day. You write in the dash, children. See here, take page number 78. See here, in the dash you write. Next one, 26th January they have given. JANUA, January 26. What? Republic Day. REPUBLIC, Republic Day. You write in the dash, children. The next one is November 14th. November 14th. What day? Children's Day. CHILDRENS. Children's Day. குழந்தைகள் தினம். The next one, October 2nd. It's Gandhi Jayanti. GANDHIJAYANTHI. You also write here in this dash, children. It's in page number 78. Finish, children? See here, second one is circle the odd one. See here, A they have given MANGO, mango, BENG, Bengal tiger, our national animal. Okay, mango is our national fruit. Then banyan tree, our national tree. These are national symbols. So next one is jackfruit. JACKFR. This is state fruit. Mango only is our national fruit. Then jackfruit is our state fruit. So that is odd. You circle that one. Okay, children. The next one is they have given palm tree. Panaimaram, our state tree, that one. State symbol. Then Nilgiri Thar. Man. Then lotus. 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 Then emerald dove. Maragadapura. Emerald dove. 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 See, these all state. Palm tree, Nilgiri Thar and emerald dove. This one is national. So you circle this one. Okay, state flower, that one. C is saffron. National park colors. Saffron, green, red, white. So these three color only our national flag color. Saffron, green and white. Then red is odd. Okay, see here, red is odd. So circle this red. Then fourth one is, see here, national days. January 26, then August 15, then October 2nd, Then November 12. Which one is odd? See here, November 12 only odd one. So you circle this one. It's in page number 78. See here children, last one. Number 2. Okay, you finish this one children. This is book exercise only. Do it in your book itself. Next one, see. Select and circle the names for the given picture. They have given the picture. Okay, you should select and circle the other picture, other names also they have given. You should do the correct picture. What is that picture you see? First one. It's in page number 79. Page number 79. See here. 3. Number 3. Select and circle the names for the given picture. First one, they have given the picture A, Bengal tiger, you circle that one. Bengal tiger, you circle this one children. Then for B, peacock picture is given, so circle the peacock, P-A-C-O-C-K. Circle the peacock. Then C is Ganges. See here, you circle this one. Then D is banyan tree, Alamaram. So you circle the banyan tree. Next one is jackfruit, J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T. So you circle this one. Okay children, see here. Bengal tiger picture is given. This is Bengal tiger. Peacock picture is given. See here, circle the peacock. Ganges, circle here. Then banyan tree. See a banyan tree name is given here. Then jackfruit, the name is given here. So you circle this one children. Next one, draw the lines to connect the symbols with its name. See here. Same page number only, 79. You do this one children, this is homework for you. You don't know how to do. See here, emerald dove, palm tree, gloriosa lily, then mango, lotus, then kabaddi. You do this one children. Some page number 79, draw a line connecting the symbols with its name. Then number 5, fill in the blanks. Page number 80. Fill in the blanks. B-L-A-N-K-S. First one is A dash they have given was W-A-S was the first F-I-R-S-T first Prime Minister P-R-I-M-E Prime M-I-N-I-S-T-E-R Prime Minister of India. Who children? Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Spelling P-A-N-D-I-T, Pandit, J-A-W-A-H-A-R-L-A-L, Jawaharlal Nehru, N-E-H-R-U, was the first Prime Minister of India. Then B, the first, the FIRST, first president. முதல் குடிமகன் சொல்லுவோம். குடியரசுத் தலைவர், President of India was, who children say Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra, R-A-J-E-N-D-R-A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, P-R-A-S-A-D. Next one, C, dash is the father of our nation. I-S is the father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father of our nation, N-A-T-I-O-N. Who children? Mahatma Gandhi ji, M-A-H-A-T-M-A, Mahatma, G-A-N-D-H-I, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Next one, the T-H-E, the state, S-T-A-T-E, the state animal, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal of Tamil Nadu, T-A-M-I-L, Tamil Nadu, N-A-D-U. Nadu is the Nilgiri Tar, N-I-L-G-I-R-I, T-A-H-R. Then E, jackfruit, J-A-C-K, jackfruit, F-R-U-I-T, jackfruit is our state fruit, S-T-A-T-E, state fruit, F-R-U-I-T. See here, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. The first President of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Mahatma Gandhi ji is the father of our nation. The state animal of Tamil Nadu is Nilgiri Tar. Jackfruit is our state fruit. See here, page number 80, you write in the dash, children. Next one, number 6 is pick the correct behavior and cross the wrong one. You see in that picture, children, in page number 80. See which one is correct and which one is wrong. 6th one is pick the correct behavior and cross the wrong one. They have given the 4 pictures. See here, they have given the 4 box here. What are the pictures you see? We should use the open space for toilet. We should use no. So that is wrong behavior. Open space for toilet. So that is wrong behavior. So put here wrong. Say, see here, they are cleaning the park. That is good behavior. So put tick. See here, throw the dust in the, throw the waste. Throw the waste in dustbin. So that is good behavior. So put tick. Next one, throw the waste on the road. Throw the waste on road. So that is wrong behavior. So put wrong here. They have given the pictures. I wrote them as sentence. See here. Okay. So put for tick or wrong for this. Okay, children. By this we are finishing my beloved motherland. Okay. In the next class we can see the class works. Fill in the blanks or choose. That one we can see. Thank you, children.